A number n is formed by writing 9 for 99 times. So I am writing 9, 9, 9, 9 like this till 99 times I am writing 9. Okay. Now, what is the remainder if n is divided by 13? So if this number is divided by 13, what is the remainder? Okay. So here you need to know the divisibility rule for 13. Okay, or rule of 13. I have already done a video on the rule of 7 and 13. So rule of 13 is 1, 4, 3, minus 1, minus 4, minus 3. We are going to apply that here. Okay. So there are many nines. So nines, it's going like this. Okay, 99 times. So I am applying the rule for 13 here. That is 1, 4, 3, minus 1, minus 4, minus 3. Then again it's going to repeat 1, 4, 3, etc., etc. It's going like this. Now if you see here, how we need to do here, 9 into 1 plus 9 into 4 plus 9 into 3 minus 9 into 1 minus 9 into 4 minus 9 into 3. This is going like that, right? So this and this will get cancelled, right? Because it's plus 9. This is minus 9. So it will get cancelled. This is plus 36 and this is minus 36. So this will get cancelled. So 9 into 3 is 27. 9 into minus 3 is minus 27. Again, that will get cancelled. So for first 6 numbers, first 6 digits are getting cancelled in the rule of 13. So next 6 digits will also get cancelled in the rule of 13. In this way, the first 96 digits is going to get cancelled because 96 is it's a multiple of 6. So it will all get cancelled. So just we need to took there are 99 nines, right? So all the first 96 nines will get cancelled in the rule of 13. So only remaining is 9, 9 and 9. So we just need to check when 999 is divided by 13, what is the remainder? That will be the same as 9 coming 99 times. Okay. So here what will come? Just do this. 7 into 13 is 91. Then this is 89. 6 into 13 is 78. So you will get remainder as 11. So option A is the right answer.